Hey, how's it going today? I'm Kaito. So today, I'm done with my Ielts test in speaking, writing, except speaking. So writing, reading, and listening. So ideally, I should have said all perfect. It was perfect, but this time it wasn't perfect, but I did the best that I could. So listening part, so I was so embarrassed mistake. There was a question, then they asked, I have to answer on the answer sheet using maybe no more than 3 words. So within using less than 2 words, right? No more than 3 words. But I didn't read, even though it was written on a paper. So I just wrote only 1 word. Maybe question task 1 or something. Yeah, maybe task 1. No, task 1 is only one word, so maybe task 2. So that was kind of mistake for the listening part. Okay. Then yeah, listening part. Yeah. I have to make sure if the spelling is correct. This is the difference between TOEIC and IELTS. TOEIC, I don't have to care about spelling because it's already there. I need just mark the answer sheet. Like there's options already if it in TOEIC. But IELTS, I need to write down actual letters. So what I conflict with is this is a surprise. Fridge, the word fridge. But I made it right, fortunately. So FRIDGE. Yeah, it takes time to get the right answer, get the right spell, to be honest with you. Yes, a fridge. That's the listening part. So next, what? The listening part was the first. Then after listening part is reading part. The reading part, to be honest with you, the second question is quite difficult. They asked me like if I summarize, so which is better, spending money on protection of wild animal? Yes, so spending money on protection of wild animals or human population. Technically, it's spending it's the money is spent on protection of wild animals. However, it could be better to be spent on humans population. Yeah, that's what. Yeah, I think that's the actual accurate question maybe. Then do you agree or disagree? Then I agreed that it's better to be spent on human population because the blah 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 blah. So, but I had a huge mistake on this question. So human population, yeah, I understand like how human works, like population of human, the protection of wild animals. I was like So this is the huge mistake of me. So I thought protection of wild animals is I have to protect people. I mean, it's better to be spent for protection for. It's better to be spent money on protection for people from wild animals. So ideally I should be showing you the pictures. It's easy to convince or tell or share with you. Yeah, so anyway, that was a huge mistake on me. Yes, protection of wild animals. And protection of wild animals is like caring of wild animals. So I think it's basically it's better thing. It's for animals, but I thought it's for human to get away from wild animals. That's what I understand. That's what I understood at the test time. But then later on after the test, I realized what was the question really. Then I asked my friend from the States. Then she said, she let me recognize that I have misunderstanding. That's why I wasn't sure, like, why do they ask such like unsure, and it's not competitor, right? They are not competitor. Protection of I shouldn't say, but in my imagine it wasn't sure, because I don't know what protection of wild animals are. A wild animal is. Anyway. And writing section. That's the writing section. Yeah, that's the writing section. Yeah, I was writing using pencil. I bought this. It's been a while. I'm using this pencil. I haven't used this since when I was junior high. Yeah, that was the writing. The reading, I don't remember because it was really difficult. Then I had a conversation with a guy from China at the test area, at the test building. Then he said, like, last time is easier than this time in terms of reading part. So maybe it was a little bit difficult rather than usual, maybe. Yeah, reading, oh my gosh. I should have spent maybe 20 minutes for each sections. The first section I spent 40 minutes, so 66% out of 100% is already done when I'm done with first task. So it's kind of hard. Yeah, so tomorrow I'm gonna have speaking test. Thank you very much for watching this video. See you next time. Bye bye.